Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your cover or banner on Twitter or X account. So go to any browser you want, then type twitter.com. Once you type the twitter.com, then you will see the interface like this. So then click here the profile. Once you click on the profile, then you'll see the right side edit profile, and then you can see it's editable option. So simply click here. You can see this is the add photo, it's a cover. Click here and then you have to choose the cover image. So I'm just going to open it, and then you can adjust it, like you can see zoom in and out. So once you see that it's the fit for your cover, then simply click the apply and again click the save. So once you're done, then you can see it's added successfully, or you can refresh your page, then you will see that your cover photo successfully added on your account. So okay friend, today is no more, and see you in the next video.